Hi everyone, I hope you all doing good. This is Shubhrata and today I'm going to talk about how you can boost your confidence level while talk in English. তোমরা কিভাবে তোমাদের কনফিডেন্সটা বাড়াতে পারো যখন তোমরা ইংরেজিতে কথা বলো। Maybe you are stucking when you're going to make a sentence, when you're going to tell a sentence. Maybe you are stucking. So today I'm going to give you the reason. What is the reason why you stucking? Not only you, everyone who are beginner now, who are recently start their English learning journey, who are beginner in English learning journey, everyone facing this problem, they are stucking in English speaking. They are stucking when they're going to make a sentence, they're going to make a conversation, they're stucking a lot of time. What is the reason? The reason is you don't have confidence. While talk in English, when you're going to talk in English, you don't have confidence in your inner side. Without confidence, you can't talk in English fluently. Believe me, without confidence, you can't talk in English fluently. So if you really fluent in English, if you really want to improve your fluency in English, then you have to first of all boost your confidence level. তোমরা যদি ইংরেজিতে ফ্লুয়েন্সি আনতে চাও, অনর্গল কথা বলতে চাও, তাহলে তোমাকে প্রথমেই তোমাদের কনফিডেন্স লেভেলটা বাড়াতে হবে কথা বলার মধ্যে। Without confidence, you can't talk in English fluently. So how you can boost your confidence level while talking English? Today I'm going to talk about you and I'm going to talk about your problems, how you can solve it. So before explanation, I'm going to say to you one thing. I'm not a teacher, I'm not teaching, I'm just trying to practice my spoken English through only making this video. I check out myself through watching this video that I'm now making, how I am growing, how I am improving every single day my spoken English. This is the motive of making video. This is the reason why I'm making video. So please take it and stay with me and please continue the video and watch this video till the end. Okay, because this video is going to be very informative. So today's topic is how you can boost your confidence level while talking English. What do you have to do first of all? First process is you have to start talking English in front of mirror. How you can boost through talking in front of mirror? If you notice when you're going to talk in English in front of mirror, when you start talking English in front of mirror, then you can see yourself. You can see yourself and you can see how is your facing reaction, how is your facing reaction, how is your body language, how is your hand shaking. You can improve to see you because you are seeing yourself. How you doing that? How you facing? How you doing facing reaction? How you giving? So if you really try to talk in English in front of mirror every single day, you can boost your confidence. If you feel its confidence is not enough, then you have to improve. You have to boost your confidence. You can boost your confidence while talking English. When you talking in front of mirror, if you feel your confidence is low, you can boost your confidence in next video, in next take. Okay, so this way you can boost your confidence level. So second process, you have to record yourself through your cell phone. You have cell phone, maybe you have to record yourself every single day. You have to make a video every single day. Okay, through making your video, through making your one video, you can check out yourself, how you growing, how you improving every single day your spoken English. You can check out yourself. This is the benefit. If you feel you are not improving, then you can do something different. You can do something do better. Okay, so you can check out yourself. Something is happening with you when you checking yourself, when you watching your own video. Something is happening. You can see it. You can watch it. Okay, this is the way also to improve to boost your confidence. Third way. Actually, what you learn today. If you learn today something, you have to learn. If you learn today something, you have to teach. You have to teach it to stranger, to your friend. You have to try to teach it. What you learn today. What you learn today, you have to try to teach it. Through teaching, you also know if you teach something to someone, you can to improve this about this topic. So if you learn something today, you have to try to teach something today. So what you learn, you have to try to teach. So fourth process, you have to create surround you uncomfort zone. How you can? You have to go market, you have to go your school, you have to go your college, because there have a lot of people, there are a lot of students in college, in school, there have a lot of students. If you go market, there have a lot of people, a lot of public. So they have obviously create a uncomfort zone, and this place you have to try to talk in English because you are feeling uncomfort zone. So if you overcome this place, if you can talk in English this place, you can talk in English everywhere, and you can talk in English fluently, and you can build up your confidence in your inner side, and you can improve your fluency in English. You can talk in English fluently. So if you really, really follow those process every single day, then maybe, and I'm damn sure you are going to very, very fluent in English, and you are not starting now. You are not starting in future, in next day. So you have to follow those process if you really, really boost your confidence level, if you really, really want to fluent in English. So if you really want like this video, if you really enjoy this video, press the like button and subscribe channel, and see you tomorrow with a new video, with a new topic, with a new journey. And we'll don't stop until we succeed. We'll don't stop until we capture our English learning, our English. So we have to keep going. We have to keep trying until we succeed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Tata, bye bye.